Alright, welcome back to my second video with another box of VIP. Let's get started. How is everyone doing today? Alright. Box number 1. Got very lucky on my last box and actually made money. They're going up in price now, so that's always good. Let's see how we do today. I expect I'm going to get hosed. Can't have that much good luck. Pretty decent comments so far. First rare is Rage Reflection, followed by a Tempered Steel, Expedition Map, and a Dark Confidant, another mythic rare for the first one. Not bad. Pretty good first box. Oh, wow. That kind of sucks. I don't really like the Zendikar art too much anymore. Wasn't really expecting to get 2 of them in one go. Oh well. Alright, box number 2. Anyone opening these types of boxes, make sure you keep the UPC code. I think it is, because you can send them in and get a free pack of regular Double Masters because of their false advertising. Or sorry, mistake. Nice. No misprint, but alright, welding jar right off the bat, not too bad. A Maze of Ith as the first rare. That's pretty good. Oh, very nice. Foil Force of Will. Fucking A. Second Expedition Map as the topper. Wow, that's 2 packs in a row. But Force of Will makes up for it. And a Blightsteel Colossus. Very nice. I didn't get that in the last box, and I really love this art. I was actually just thinking I really wanted this card. So, I am happy. Second box is go. Ooh, I love the mountains. And lands. Now just imagine if that actual Blightsteel was another Force of Will topper. Oh man, I would have lost my mind. Oop. Man down, man down. Oh my god. Well, I'm using my phone to record in case you haven't noticed, and I just launched it flying, so you guys went on a little trip. Sorry about that. Getting too excited opening these packs. That force of will just got me a little shook. Alright. Now for the uncommons, 8 of them. Blade Splicer for the rare. And a Blightsteel Colossus regular foil. Not too shabby. Urza's Tower. Very nice. Helps get out the Blightsteel Colossus if you got the full Tron. And a second Jace the Mind Sculptor. I pulled one from a regular pack the other day. 3 for 3 on Mythic so far. I am honestly really liking Double Masters. Oh, the Forest. Another good. I love this art. They have just such great art. Alright. Even if this one is a total bust, I think that I did pretty well for my boxes. I just realized I have a fan going in the background, and that might be causing some extra background noise, so disregard that. It is another hot day. Alright. Last pack. Spellskite. Old modern staple. Just like the foil. And a Fetid Heath. Pretty good. And a Crop Rotation. Very nice, my second one. And the big Sword of Light and Shadow. 4 mythics in a box again. I got the Fire and Ice last time, so it's good to finish it off. Oof. I think they have some scratches on it. Oh yeah, these got fucking roller marks on it, so I might be doing a little call into Wizards of the Coast Island and the Plains. Well, thank you for tuning in to my second box break. I will hopefully be doing one another this week. I will see you later on. Have a good day.